and they also include, these are the some pictures which you will understand also easily what is poverty. And these are the trends in poverty to 1999 to 2008. In rural areas 35% to 39% and then 28.10%. In Pakistan total 17.2%, 15 urban areas 21.4%, 20 in 2008 14.9%, 90%. Illiteracy means inability to read and write is called illiteracy. Some know we know about the illiteracy in Pakistan. Very highly literacy rate of Pakistan 1951 to 2008. 1951 our literacy rate 16.40. There is increase in 1961 16.30, 1972 21.70 and 1981 26.20 and 1998 43.90 and 2008 56.20%. And these are the illiteracy rate in Pakistan. In 1 month illiteracy rate Pakistan also increased 60%, in 6 months also increased 40%, and year is also increased 40%. And these are the literacy rate according to the literacy rate 1999 concept the ability of a person. What is who is the person which is a literate person, who is the person which is a readable person, who is the person which is a educated person. According to the our 1998 concept the ability of a person who can read a newspaper and write a simple letter in any language. Pakistan 55% and male which is a 67% and female which is a 42% which is illiterate. And these are the some primary school influences and adult literate and also standard deviation and madrasas which are the illiterate person. Literacy rate in provinces of Pakistan also Punjab illiteracy rate 50. Punjab is highest illiteracy rate and after Sindh and after Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and after Balochistan. And second is the corruption. You know, Pakistan main problem is the corruption. Our every sector, our every department of our field has been corrupt. Corruption is the prime reason behind the economical unstability. Corruption has separated into the world and has ruined the economy. Pakistan has now this moment Pakistan has been ranked at 42 number among the most corrupt nations of the world. And these are the Pakistan rate in corrupt countries. 2004 Pakistani rate in 19 and 2005 Pakistan rate is 16 and 2006 Pakistan rate is 20. 2007 Pakistan due to after this period Pakistani rate is also increased. 2008 47, 2009 42 and 2010 now the Pakistan 34. And this is a comparison between the with the India corrupt rate our low. India corrupt rate is a low other than our high. 2004 India 72, 2005 94, 2006 108, 2007 108, 2008 96, 2009 95 and 2010 now the moment India corrupt rate is 91. And these are the most corrupt sector in Pakistan which are also corrupt areas. These are the police areas also corrupt 1997 38.07, 50 Balochistan Punjab 516, Sindh 512, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa 384 and Balochistan 564. Power second is corrupt area is the power 1138 total. Land administration 432, education department is the 5th, 352 local government 345, judicial 312, health 261, taxation 163 and also include total is 5200. And these are the graphical show which department is high. The police sector is also high 44.0%. And second is the corruption. Corruption is the prime reason. Unemployment is the third social problem of Pakistan. Unemployment is a major social problem caused by poor economical system. We have degree but we have no employees, but we have no job. We have also resources but we have no management. Lack of funds followed by unorganized system and lack of new projects are causing unemployment worldwide. There are many reasons of unemployment like influx of machinery that has replaced manpower and unemployment due to increase. These are the pictures which have a degree but they have no job. So there and unemployment rate due to the time after increasing day by day. Pakistan unemployment rate also increased day by day. And these are the Pakistan unemployment. 2003 Pakistan unemployment 8%, 2004 Pakistan unemployment 7%, 2005 Pakistan unemployment rate is 8%, and 2006 Pakistan unemployment rate 6%, 2007 Pakistan unemployment rate 6%, 2008 Pakistan unemployment rate is 7 point. Mostly Pakistani unemployment rate is a maximum is a 7.8 and 9%. And also fourth problem is the health problem of Pakistan. And health is another social problem caused by poor economical conditions. Because we have no we have no economical conditions, so our patient don't have the facility of good cure. The cost of living is ever increasing and shortage of funds is a usual problem worldwide. There are less hospitals and medical contacts, and if there are any, the people are unable to afford their children health expenses, so the health problem grow unchecked. And these are the consultations by disease and by description the flood affected district in Punjab. These are facts and figures which show the what is the main problem, what is the main causes of the diseases in Pakistan about the after the flood of 2010. There is 99% which are pure. DG Khan 42%, Hafzabad 394, and also total is a 1098.8%. And fifth is the last is the social economic problem is the child labor. That's how this picture will show the you will also easily understand what is a child labor. This circulation of money is constructed to rich people only causing the poor to become more poor. You know about our feudalism. Main feudalism, our 90% of wealth is owned by only 10%. Is owned by only so and our military and our government and our institution has no policy about the decreasing between the gap between the richest people and the poor people. In past, some countries refused to impose those goods from Pakistan in whose making children were employed due to growing inflation, rise and poverty. Parents and vowed to send their children to work to light. These are the some pictures which show the what is the child which work their age is a children, their age is a educated age, but they have no education, they have no get education because they have no resources, they have know about the resources of their education. And child labor under the influences of his master. Economical problem. These are the economical problem. Power crisis. Power crisis mean where are you?
Go to next problem. Next problem. Next one. Because we are running short of time, so.
Right, sir. Lost in business, last time.
Okay.
Loss in business, the poor economical system affect the business very badly because we have resources but we have no many. We have a high mine, we have a very highly mines in our Balochistan, in our NWFB, but we have no many goodly, and the foreign investors are not ready to set up their business in Pakistan because we have when foreigner want to open their market in Pakistan, want to open their business in Pakistan, but they have no resources, they have no opportunities which the development of their business. More than 70 multinational companies have already packed up their business from Pakistan, and loss of business also increased. And what is the biggest threat to Pakistan future? What is the target? These are the some questions rising from different people. Religious extremism and violence 40% to 85% to 85 people vote. Corruption and bad governance 21%. Incomplete political leader 20%. USA and the West 6%. Military interface in policies 5%. India is also 3%, which conflict between the India and on the Kashmir issue and Kargil issue. Economic and resources challenge 3%. Ethic and political evaluation 3%. And these are the conclusion. Government as well as every single citizen has to play its own specific role to bring about a positive change.